Hello family, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Yes, in today's video we are going to be spending time this inside the forest. Yes, so we are going to be doing nature tour. We are going to be going around this forest. It's a very big one, a huge one, so we are going to be touring this forest today. Yeah, it is time for free fruit, so fresh fruit, healthy fruit. So the kids are running down to go and get it. So this is a place that we are now. Is a very small part or a small village in Germany that is full of forest, where you can have fun, where you can spend holiday, where you can do your summer grill, where you can really enjoy time. So that is a place that we are right now. So at this time now, we are going to be going around. You are going to be seeing different trees, and also coming to know how long tree normally spend or how old they are. So let's go around and catch fun together, and I know there will be a continuation on this video. This video is going to have part 1 and part 2, so don't miss any of the episode. Just tell us what you think and how you feel about the video. If you love videos like this, just let me know on the comment section so that I will keep on doing something like this. I'm here to bring the best to your TV, yes, and I enjoy doing it. So just catch the fun with us. Let's go around together. Let's view nature together. It's good for the head. Honestly, it is good for the health. It's good to calm nerves. It is really nice to cool off your head sometimes after all the hustling and battling in the city. Just come to a place like this where you cannot see cars, nothing. Just go around like.
If you use it to do construction, it can take 100 years.
Wow.
I see. Ja. Wir haben auch Piste und Tannebaum, Pistebaum. Ja. Aber die Eichel ist mehr stärker. Ne? Kiefer. Das ist eine deutsche Baumart. Ne?
Maria never hold me like this. No, it's your paper.
Das hier ist Piste. Pistebaum.
Shoot, Maria.
And Emmanuel, how do you know the age of palm? The age of palm, you read it in a ring. Each ring is 1 year ring. Yeah? So if it's 100 ring inside, it's 100 years. Yeah. When you cut it, when you cut a tree, you will see life ring. It's round. You will count it and know the age of the tree.
Okay.
So like those ones, these ones may be up to 200 years old.
Wow.
By the time you cut this one and count it, you get up to 200, maybe, or 150.
And that is each of this.
No, the big one, right? Is when you cut it in the center.
You count it.
Then
Yeah.
you count the life ring.
Those. Okay.
Yeah. That's how you get the age. Haben wir das schon in der Schule gemacht? Baumarte?
Ja, schon ein bisschen, aber nicht Name.
Nicht so nah, ja. Ich bin auch nicht mehr sicher, ob das hier eine Piste ist, aber ich vermute, das ist Piste.
Papi, they run. No worry, not going to enter.
Ich vermute, das ist eine Piste und das ist ein Eichelbaum. Ja? That here is the Eichelbaum. The leaf is different. So Kiefer, I never see Kiefer here. The Kiefer is much stronger than all of them. Are dying. You can see. They are dying because of the varmint. And sometimes Bokin keeper. Bokin keeper used to kill these trees and the varmint, egg varmint. This klimaveränderung. You can see it in the bush how the trees are dying. So you can see another one here.
Nein, nicht essen.
Das ist eine Klimawanderung an Borkenkiefer. Das ist der Grund. Borkenkiefer und Klimaveränderung. Ja? Klimawanderung. Ja. So, grüner, das ist hier ist Natur. Und der Grün beruhigt Menschen. Es gibt nichts anderer Farbe, das Menschen beruhigen als Grün. You feel calm when you are in green. From nature. Wow. Und was ist ein Baum ist das?
Wir haben sowas noch nie gemacht. Das ist
Welcher Baum ist das? Nochmal? Eisbaum. Ah.
Das ist die Blätter von Eiche.
Aha.
Das aus.
Ah.
What?
Say should not go too far.
Okay. Das ist die Katastrophe von der Klimawandel. Ja? Das sieht man schon in dem Wald, deutsches Wald. Sieht das aus? Stell dir mal vor, wenn alle so sterben, dann haben wir keine, wie nennt Sauerstoff. Ja? Der Sauerstoff fehlt. Sind wir jetzt in Naturkunde, obwohl ich nicht so besonders aufgepasst. Sonst hätte ich die ganze Pflanze eigentlich wissen sollen, aber kann man nichts machen. Hey Manuel, bist du Naturmensch?
Ich bin sehr gut in Natur.
Ehrlich? Ja, Naturwissenschaft. Ja. Where all the thing begins. Hier ist alles angefangen und hier wird das auch alles ändern. Ja.
If Maria never cry for my video, no go complete.
So normally, sometimes somebody can do picnic, in a wild picnic, yeah. You do it, especially when it's yours. You can do what you want. So, but when the time comes, we see how to do it. And this road is leading to the next village called Limba. If you keep on going, you will find yourself in another village called Limba. So we have to know when to stop. If not,
No, go and land.
kilometers. So these are the things our people in Africa are supposed to learn, how to live with nature, not to destroy the nature. It's better to live with nature than to destroy the nature. You can see it. See, this is catastrophe. In Africa, we cut everything to build houses. In Europe, they live together with the nature. They build with the nature.
Some pictures.
So far so well. Hope you are enjoying the nature, you are enjoying all the views. So we are going to continue this video. I don't want to keep this one to be too long, so watch out for the continuation, the part 2 of holiday in forest, you know. So you're going to be seeing more of it, different parts of the forest very soon. Stay tuned, don't touch the dial. We love you, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Abba, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. And also don't forget to press your thumbs up. That just shows that you love what we are doing, and YouTube will keep on recommending our videos to you. We love you. Stay safe, stay sound, and watch out for the continuation of this video.